Earnin does not offer unlimited instant transfers to every user, because instant access depends on verified earnings and account activity inside the app. By the end, you'll know what actually unlocks instant transfers, why some users see delays, and what you can do to make your transfers faster and more reliable. Instant transfer access is based on verified work and account history. Earnin checks your employment and pay patterns before allowing faster cash-out options, because the system is built around earned wages, not credit borrowing. Now explain the main requirement. The biggest factor is having your work hours or income properly verified inside the app. Without verified earnings, instant transfer options are often limited or unavailable. Now explain how verification works. Earnin uses your employment and income data to confirm that you have already worked for the money you are trying to access. This is what allows faster transfers to be calculated safely. Now, explain consistency. Consistent work activity matters because it creates a predictable income pattern. When your earnings follow a stable schedule, the system can process transfers more efficiently. Now explain bank connection. A stable linked bank account also plays a role, because Earnin needs to reliably see deposits and repayment cycles before enabling faster transfer options. Now explain what instant transfer actually means. Instant transfer is not always truly immediate for every user. Some users may still experience processing time, depending on their account verification level and banking setup. Now explain what does not improve speed. Requesting multiple transfers does not automatically unlock instant access. The system does not respond to repeated cash-out attempts as a trigger for faster approval. Now, explain improvement strategy. The most effective way to unlock faster transfers is to keep your employment data accurate, maintain consistent income reporting, and ensure your bank account stays properly connected. Now explain timing. Transfer speed improves gradually as the system builds more confidence in your earnings and repayment reliability over time. Now put it in perspective. Earnin prioritizes users with stable, verified income because instant transfers are based on trust in your work pattern, not a fixed approval button. Here's the simple breakdown. Instant transfer access on Earnin depends on verified earnings, consistent work history, and a stable bank connection, not requests or repeated usage. Do this next. Make sure your employer and work hours are correctly linked, and keep your income deposits consistent so the system can verify your earnings without delays. If your income is verified and stable, transfers are more likely to process faster. If not, you will likely see standard processing times instead of instant access.